Hello guys! Second vlog na to for today. We went outside earlier. Nag-strolling around. Mishka's day out. First day out. So may nabili kami kanina na kachore, ano? Kachore from Litti. From East Food Stall na nagsiserve sila ng mga food from North India kung saan sa pinanggaling. Dito kasi
from Bihar.
Bihar. Okay, Bihar. Dito kasi South India to. So, parang medyo may difference yung kanilang pagkain, North and South. Kaya bumili siya. So, titingnan namin if the taste is similar to what he is eating in Bihar. Medyo mahina lang yung boses ko because Mishka is sleeping. So, are you excited?
Let's see.
This is the Litti choka. Or, no, kachore. What is this? Litti choka or kachore?
The choka is litti. Choka is that potatoes, mashed potato.
Okay. So, ito siya guys.
Call it litti.
Litti. And then this one is choka, what you were saying. Parang ano siya, parang chutney lang ba? Sauce, ganyan. And this one?
Chutney.
Chutney. So let's see.
Let's see the fillings. Sattu.
Parang tinapay lang ba? Fried na tinapay with stuffing inside.
Sattu.
Sattu. Yung kinakain namin na sattu parata ba? What's spicy ay?
This is chili chutney.
So it's spicy.
This I try.
Let's see. How's that? Good.
Very good.
What about this? Is this spicy?
The
red one. Okay. Yung color brown pala na chutney guys, maanghang siya. So I will not use that.
So that. Don't want to break it, just eat like this.
Is this how it really tastes in Bihar? Medyo maanghang lang din yung yung chutney. Diba, kahapon pumunta kami sa D-Mart para bumili ng rechargeable fan ba para kay Mishka dahil nga sa brownout dito sa amin. And then ito yung mga pinamili namin kahapon. Mga konti lang naman ito. Yung pinunta talaga namin doon is yung fan. Ito, Makana. Ano to, maganda tong pang snacks ni Abby. Na ano lang siya, yung isang ganito guys, 129. Medyo mahal lang siya, pero healthy to. Tapos, some chips, mga pang snacks ba? Tasty nuts. Parang nagaraya sa atin. Ganun. And then, ito, bakarwadi, favorite snack na Abby. Tapos, bumili din ako ng mani. Kasi mahilig na kami ngayon, magluto. Yung parang adobong mani sa atin. Tapos nilalagyan ng garlic at saka ng asin. Pero si Abhi, pag nagluluto siya nito, nilalagyan niya ng ibang masala. So parang Indian version siya kasi nilalagyan niya ng ibang masala. And then, nagsaslice din siya ng green chilies para medyo maanghang. And then lots of garlic. Masarap yung paggawa ni Abhi niyan. Tapos mung dal. Tapos biscuit. Juice. Kasi buy one take one ito. Naka-sale. And then, bumili din pala ako ng Sprite. Kasi mas masarap minsan, di ba, pag kumain, pag lunch. Minsan pag try yung ulam, di ba, masarap na merong pantulak. And then ito, flattened rice or puha yung tawag dito. Puha or puha. Pero minsan may tawag sabi dito ng achura. Something. So, yan. ng kimpit. And then, kanina, ito yung mga binili namin, mga vegetables. Itong, opo. And then may nakita din pala ako guys na maganda itong bottle gourd for lactating mothers. Ewan ko ba, pero na-notice ko din na pag ito yung ulam namin, medyo marami yung aking supply. So siguro totoo siya. And then green peas, half kilo lang to kasi medyo mahal ngayon yung kilo niya, parang 120. Nabili lang ni Abby, half kilo lang yung binili ni Abby, so parang 60. Tapos ano lang to? Okra, yung talong at saka capsicum or bell pepper. Napabili din ako ng konti lang naman to, mga shorts, tapos parang anong tawag na dito, palazzo pants, kasi konti na lang talaga yung magkasya sa akin ng mga short, and medyo limited na yung mga nasusuot ko. So bumili ako nito kasi pag lumalabas kami ni Mishka sa baba, so nag-change talaga ako. It's either mag-leggings ako or anything na mahaba. Hindi ako bumababa doon ng naka-shorts lang. Pero sa bahay, okay lang. Dito nasa-shorts ako. Ito. Pang ano lang ba namin ni Mishka pag nasa labas ako. Or minsan, pag meron akong kukunin sa baba, kailangan kong magbihis ng something na mahaba. So, pwede na to. Tapos, mamili ako. Isa din. Dark color. Ayan. Garterize siya dito. Ayan, o. $2.99 din to. Yung size pala nito is small to medium. Yun ang pinipili ko. Maganda siya, diba? Maganda yung tela nito, guys. Malambot. Tapos, yung sa baba niya, meron din siyang garter. Ayan. And then, meron siyang dalawang pocket sa likod. Ito. $2.99 din to. Tapos, ano na lang, shorts, mga shorts. Ito. Mura lang naman to, guys. Medium, size medium ata ito pinuha ko. 36. Ay, pang kids pala to. For 13 to 14 years old. Pero kasya to sa akin. Ayan. Dalawa. And then, isa. Ito. Ibang klase itong shorts. Hindi kagaya ng dalawa. Diba? And then, isang t-shirt. Na Donald Duck. Medium. Size medium. Mura lang to guys. $1.99. Parang pangbahay ko lang ba? Kasi, as in, very limited na talaga yung mga nasusuot ko ng mga damit. Kasi, hindi na masyadong magkasya sa akin. Kasi dati size small ako or extra small. Pero after Mishka, nag-ano na ako, medium. Medium na yung magkasya sa akin. Laban ko na to para magamit ko na siya. Kunan ko lang ng tag. Okay, so yun, naglalaro naman na. Hello, Princess Love Love. Nilagay ni Abby yung mga toys niya. Han, so much toys, Han. Ang dami ng pagpipilian ni Mishka. Dito lang yan silang dalawa kasi nag-e-edit ako. Mishka and Daddy's time. Parang umuulan sa labas. Ha? Nag-edit muna ako guys. Sila na yung mag-banding muna dito. Busy yan siya guys. Reading books and learning. Can you share to them what makes you so busy these days? What makes you so busy these days? He's been so busy learning so many things this past few weeks. Weeks or months? Ahan.
Almost a month, maybe you can say.
So, can you share to them what makes you so busy?
I'm just trying to learn about investments, or you can say better way of saving. Okay.
Currently, this is the book that he's reading, The Intelligent Investor. Why?
Because after reading these books, or few more books I was having, it doesn't matter that we all know that how much you earn. It always matters that what you save from that. Very less of us who follow that. So after reading few books, or when I started thinking towards this, I realized I have gone through, you can say, introspection, that where are the loopholes, or what are those things what I am not doing, or what we are not doing as a couple. Maybe it's because of when Mishka came in our life, then I started thinking differently. Earlier we were like, I'm talking about myself, because she is not like too much into spending things, spending money to buy things, or but I am like I'm kind of like extravagant. If I'll have $5 in my wallet, I will rather spend all of that.
That was when before Mishka.
Yeah, but now maybe because my mother is saying that, she was always saying that you are not saving, and I was always having.
No, before his mindset is that we have to enjoy life. Before Mishka came. That's why before Mishka, we are also spending so much time with our friends. We're always having
But it's
nightlife,
not really
night
like
out.
enjoying, even though I am not doing all those things. It's just that the mindset. I'm enjoying now also, even though I'm sitting idly in home, I'm reading books, or I'm thinking towards thinking in a constructive way or a positive way towards my future. It's just not that daydreaming, you can say. Like if I'm just sitting and I'm dreaming about that okay, one day some magic will happen and
We will be rich.
and I will be rich. It's never gonna happen. You have to work accordingly. Small steps, you can say, savings.
That's why these days we are really trying our best to save, to spend less.
Yeah, actually spending less. After reading few books or these books, one thing is clear, that poor people try to look rich, but rich people don't, something like that. Don't try to look rich or something just by buying expensive things or expensive gadgets won't make me rich. I realized that, because I'm that kind of person that okay, I'll see something and without even thinking twice I will buy that, even though I'm not even thinking twice that how many times I'm going to use that or something. So I think there is a change in my mind, you can say. And I think that as soon as you realize that what happiness you are trying to find by buying things, you will not get that until and unless you are not making a solid base or financial base, if you will say. And frankly saying, I was not making a financial base earlier. It was just that you are making a castle, sand castle, you can say. Outside it will look good, but inside it's hollow. So you have to first make a base. So I started thinking like that. I'll not say that I am already doing it, but at least now I have started thinking towards it. So I think, and first phase starts with the learning, you can say. So I'm happy now that at least it clicked in my mind. So yeah, because once you really start thinking of something, then law of nature says that your mind will act accordingly, something. And one biggest change came from that is that I started getting up early in morning, because I was going through so many book summaries. Now sometimes if I'm doing something, I'm listening to book summaries, then they said that it's better to sleep little early and get up early and start your day little early, because earlier I was getting up 8 or 8:30, and when you are getting up 8 or 8:30 and you have to go arrive office by 9:30, then of course you will be in rush. And now I'm trying to make a habit that 5 a.m. but 5 a.m. is really tough. So at least 5:30, by 5:40 sometimes, by 5:45. But before 6 now I'm trying. So gradually maybe one day 5 a.m. also, because big changes are not practical always. So small steps I'm
Will
trying
go a
to.
long way.
Yeah. So now, since Mishka is crying in night, she's getting up, so she is not able to get up. But now at least I am trying that even in morning I am getting up, I'm doing things, I'm preparing my breakfast, and I'm not in hurry before going office. That okay, I'm getting late. Even though even earlier, every day before leaving office I was in rush, but now I'm relaxed before going office, and it feels good.
Why you are like trying to learn about savings, like investment? Why? What is your plan? Share it to them so at least they know.
Early retirement. I don't want to work until 60. Means I don't want to work for others. I want to work even last day of my life, but I want to work what I like, not just that for money. I don't want to work for money. I want to work for what I like. So for that, I need to make a base, because for middle class people it's not easy just to leave everything and you can start running behind your dreams or what you like, because you need security also, because you have a family to look after, or you have some obligations. It's not like that. Or sometimes somewhere in your mind fear is also there, fear of
Will you be able to provide?
fear of losing the battle, you can say. So I'm playing little bit defensive also.
Do you know there is one comment before that he said he's an Indian, that you were able to meet each other because your husband is rich. Are you rich?
It's like nowadays credit cards have made your life so easy that you work in a company, they will give you 5 credit cards, and you will never think even twice to spend and to swipe your card over a machine. And that credit card trap, it took me 5 years almost to understand that. The
So-
credit card trap. Actually, my mama was saying that don't use credit card, don't use credit card. There are many ways where you can use your credit card in a much wiser way, if you will say. That there are many discounts you can avail through credit cards. There are many reward points, but for that you have to use it according to that. When you are too much depending upon your credit card transaction, sometimes when you don't have money also, you will keep on swiping your card, then you will go in a debt trap and you will never come out of that. Many months we are earning that month's salary, my month's salary is going in next month credit card payment, and next month, whole month we are using keep on swiping our cards to buy things, and coming month salary I'm paying my previous month credit card bills.
So in short,
it's like a loophole, you will never come out of it. So
in short, we did not meet just because he has a lot of money during those early days, but it takes a lot of hard work and sacrifice and a lot of credit card bills.
a lot of credit card bills, a lot of credit card uses for our tickets, for everything. I was using my credit card. So earlier what I was there, that if I like something I was doing that. If I want to go somewhere I was going. If I want to buy something for me I was buying. If I want to buy something for her I was buying. If I want something to buy for my family I am buying. So everything will not come. Means in nature everything is in abundance, but you have to be disciplined also. And I was not disciplined, to be specific. There are people who are managing their money in finances in better way, and I was not managing. I was thinking in my mind that I am doing good, but I was not. And I was justifying by saying that okay, it's okay, I have these things to do now. Anyways, I'm not throwing my money. I'm just doing things So it's okay. I was giving
Enjoying.
myself a false justification to myself when I was seeing people who were managing money in better way, and when I was looking myself that I am having a very bad sense of like managing my money, or I was managing my money in not a good way, then I was saying myself that let it be. In 30 years only I got married also, I went Philippines also. So I was justifying myself by saying all those things. Actually it is true also up to a level, but it doesn't matter that in every salary there is a way that you can save something. It's written in books, so that's why it's not my line, it's written in books.
So
And this is all what I'm saying. I have not achieved anything. I'm reading through these books, through those videos, what I'm watching on YouTube. So from there I'm getting these lines. None of these lines are my lines. I am only having some experience, and now if I'm relating it, then I'm thinking that how fool I was. Looking back, I'm thinking that 50% things are justified, but 50% things were not justified. So somewhere I can feel that, yeah.
So yan yung kinabibisihan niya ngayon, guys. Learning how to save, how to invest. That's why sometimes I cannot disturb him. Like, he comes home, will play with Mishka for a little bit, and then he will start reading books. He will sleep early, and the next day he will get up early. But it's a good habit, actually. So yun lang, guys. I guess this is a very long discussion.
Yeah.
But I hope we have shared something valuable, or something that you have learned from our mistake.
Yeah.
Our mistake. To those who's like young couple or young married couple who's starting to build their family also.
Earlier also I was saying that dream big and work accordingly. An efficient way, you can say.
What is that? Dream big and?
Dream big, work accordingly.
But I have also read a line that God did not give you the power to dream without also giving you the power to make them come true.
So it's all in your hand. It's just a learning process, learning phase for me now. I just want to learn. I just want to learn more, because it's really, I feel like it's interesting now for me. And when you feel anything interesting, you want to get it more. So it's like I'm finding it kind of interesting. So I'm enjoying it.
So
because this book is with me from more than 2 years or 3 years. This Intelligent Investor actually, and this book, how I bought these books. This was on sale, and along with few other books, I purchased this book. I have purchased few other books also. Someday I will show you my other books also. Like, I like to buy books. I was never reading it, and this book I tried many times, but whenever I was lifting this book, it is so thick that I was getting scared. So I will read one page, few pages, like 2-3 pages, then I was just leaving it. Then again after 2-3 months I will think that no, I should read this, and I was opening this book again few pages, and again it was getting dumped somewhere.
But now finally,
I think 1/10 or 1/5, I think 15%.
medyo napahaba na yung aming vlog. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell button.
And comment down your financial habits also.
So we can learn from you.
If you can relate from me.
And so we can also learn from them.
And you can share your experiences also.
About savings. Good night, and see you on our next vlog.
Bye-bye.